Today in this video, we are going to discuss the multiplication and division of our decimal numbers with 10, 100 and 1000. So before going to start the lecture, let me describe decimal numbers. What are decimal numbers? So decimal numbers are those numbers. Decimal numbers are those numbers which contain decimal point which contain decimal point. So let me write an example for this. For example, we have a number like 2.346. So this type of number is called decimal number, and this point is called decimal point. This is a decimal point. So the numbers which contain a decimal point is called decimal numbers, and as I have marked a point, so that point is called decimal point. Now I will discuss the multiplication and division of a decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000. So let me write some rules first. Rules for multiplication of a decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000. So first rule is, when a decimal number is multiplied with 10 or its multiple, the point will move one place from left to right in a number. Second is the same, when a decimal number, whenever a decimal number is multiplied with 100 or its multiple, the point will move two places from left to right. Rule third is, when a decimal number is multiplied with 1000 or its multiple, the point will move three places from left to right in a number. These are the rules for multiplication of a decimal number with 10, 100, 1000 and its multiples. Next, I will solve some questions on multiplication of 10 and its multiple. So first question is 0.013 multiplied by 10. Okay, as per rule which we have discussed, that when we multiply 10 with any decimal number, the point will move one place from left to right. So the point will move from this point and it will come here, and the answer will be 0.13. This is the example of what we can say, that multiplication of a number with 10. Let me write second question on this, that is 2.978 multiplied by 10. So as per rule, the point will move from left toward right. This is left and this is the right side. This is left side. This is the left side and this is the right side. So the point will move one place from left toward right. So the answer is 29.78. This is the answer whenever we multiply a decimal number with 10. Now let me multiply multiples of 10 with any number. Let for example, may I take some question on this? Question number 3. Question 3 is 2.111 multiplied by 80. So I can write this like 2.111 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8. I had just split this 80 into 8 multiplied by 10. 10 8s are 80. Just we have to split this into what we can say that we convert this 80 into a tabular form of the 80. So that is 10 multiplied by 8. So as per rule, the point will move from one place from left to right because of 10. So this will be 21.11 multiplied by 8. So I will multiply this 8 with this number. So 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, 8 ones are 8, and 8 twos are 16. So this is the answer of this question, that how we multiply a multiple of a 10 with this type of questions. So this is the answer of the question. Let's discuss the multiplication of 100 and its multiple. Question number 1 on this is 0.34 multiplied by 100. As per rule, the point will move two places from left toward right, one place, and then it move two places out from this number. So the answer is, the point is move out from the number, so the answer is 334. This is the example 1. Now we take another example, question number 2, and the question number 2 is 1.078 multiplied by 100. Say as above we have done the above question. Same, we follow the same method for this. One step, two step. So the point moves two step away from this from the own place. From left toward the right, the point moves two places. So the answer is 107.8. Next, we have to multiply the multiple of 100 with the decimal number. Let me take a number that is let me take a number that is 2.601 multiplied by 800. So this is the now this is the multiplication of the number. So as we have done in our 10, we split this into a table of 100 and the any number which comes out. So table of 108. So the number will be 100 multiplied by 8. This is a splitting of 800. So as per rule, the point move two places from this from the main point where it is located. So the answer will be 260.1 multiplied by 8. Next we multiply 260.1 multiply with 8. So 8 ones are 8, 8 point here, so 8 zeros are 0, 8 6s are 48, 4 carry, 8 2s are 16, 16 plus 4 200. So the answer is 20,000.8. So the final answer of this number is 20,080.8. Now we have to multiply 1000 and its multiple to a decimal number. Let me write question number 1. The question number 1 is 1.12 multiplied by 1000. We have to multiply 1.12 with 1000, and as per rule the point will move 3 places from left toward right, but it is clearly seen that we have two number after a decimal place, so we can't move our point like this. So we can introduce a zero at the end of this number, because whenever we have a decimal point, we can add as many zero as much as we want. So we can add 10 for our completion to the step movement. So we have 810 at the end of this number. So when we move this point, so the point will move 3 places and it will be out from the number, and the final answer is 1120. This is the final answer. Okay. Next we have question number second on this. Question number second on this is, let's take that is 0.215 multiplied by 1000. According to the rule, the point will move 3 places from left toward right, so it will move out from the number, and the final answer is 250. Now, if we take a multiple of 1000, in question number 3, we take the multiple of 1000 for the to solve this number. That is 3.155 multiplied by 8000. We have to multiply these with 8000. So we split this 8000 into multiple of 1000. So we can write this 1000 multiplied by 8. This is the splitting of 8000. So as per rule, the point will move 3 places from left toward right and it will move out. So the answer is 3155 multiplied by 8. Next we multiply 3155 with 8 to get a final answer. 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44, 4 again carry, 4 1s are 4, 4 plus, 8 1s are 8, 8 plus 4, 12, 1 carry, and 8 3s are 24 plus 1, 25. So the final answer is 25,240. This is the multiplication of 1000 and its multiple. So next we discuss the division of decimal number with 10, 100 and 1000. So first of all, I should write some rules for this again for a division. So let me write some rules for this. So rule number 1 is, when we divide a decimal number by 10 or its multiple, the point will move one place from right to left. It is the reverse of multiplication. In our multiplication, we discussed that whenever we multiply 10 or its multiple to any decimal number, the point move from left to right. While in a division, when we divide any number by 10 or its multiple, the point will move one place from right to left. And same is the case for hundred. When we multiply decimal number by 100 or its multiple, the point will move uh, two places from right to left. Similarly, in rule number third, when a decimal number is divided by 1000 or its multiple, the point will move three places from right to left. Now let me solve some example on a division of a decimal number with 10. Let me take question number 1. Question number 1 is 25.3 divided by 10. So whenever we divide any number by 10, so the point will move as per rule from left toward right in a division. So this way the answer will be 2.53. This is the answer of this number. Let me take another example on this question number 2. Question number 2 is 1.21 divided by 10. As per rule, the point will move one step from left to right to left. So the point is moving out from this number. So the point is 0.121. So to complete a number, we write a 0 before this decimal number is for a beautification. So we write 0 before this number. Okay. Next we have question number 3, and this is the multiple of these number, which is 0.84 divided by 40. So first of all, I would do a splitting of 40. So I can write this 0.84 divided by 4 and divide by 10. Whenever we divide 0.84 by 4, 0.84 by 4. So 4s are 0, its cancel, point will goes up from this place and move on the top of the line. Next we have 4, the 8 is here, so we down it. 4 2s are 8, nothing. Next we bring 4 and 4 1s are 4. So we get our answer is 0.21 divided by 10, and as per rule of 10 the point will left up the place and it will move out, and the answer will be 0.021. This is the answer of this question. Next we take an example on multiple division of a 100 with any decimal number. Let me take 24.9 divided by 100. So the point will move 2 places now from left toward the right, and it's move out. So the answer is 0.249. Now let me take a multiple of these numbers. So the multiple is let me take 333.6 divided by 800. So I would split the 800 into 8 and 100. So I just split this 800 into 8 and 100. Now I would like to divide 33.6 divided by 8. 8 4s are 32, minus we get 1, point will move on the top of the line here, and 6 will come down, and 8 2s are 16. So the answer is 4.2 divided by 100. According to the rule, the point will move 2 places from this point and it will move out. So we need 1 0 over here, so we write 0. So now it moved 2 point out, so the answer is 0.042. Let me solve some question on division of a 1000 with any decimal number. So question number 1 is, we have a question number 1 that is 125 divided by 1000. Whenever we have an now decimal place in a number, the decimal point locate at the end of each number. And according to the rule, whenever we divide a number by 1000, the point will move 3 places from right toward the left, and it's moved out from this number, and the answer is 0.125. Okay, let me solve another question, that is the multiples of a 1000. So let me take 342 divided by 2000. This is the multiple of the 1000. So I can write 2000 like 342 divided by 2 divided by 1000. Whenever we divide 342 by 2, So 2 ones are 2. We'll minus it. We get 1. 4 comes down. 4 sevens are 2 sevens are 14. It's finished. Now 2 move downward and 2 ones are 2. We get 121 divided by 1000. So according to the rule, point is located over here at the end of the number, and it will move 3 places forward, and it will move out from the number, and the decimal answer of this number will be 0.171. This is the all work on decimal numbers of with the multiplication and division.